চল এটা ভেতর তো ঢুকে দেখি, এটা ভেতর দিয়ে নিচে যাবা?
गोवा, where days are lazy and nights are crazy. पर ये सुकून वाला खून दौड़ता नहीं है हमारे लहू में. So we explored Goa for a couple of weeks in monsoon beyond the beaches. And we will tell you all the stories. But for now, enjoy these glimpse.
I'm not taking selfie, I'm doing vlog. So we are heading towards Galgibaga Beach now. It is one of the southernmost beach of Goa and claimed to be the cleanest. It is also believed that it is a nesting ground of olive ridley turtles. So let's explore the first day in South Goa. After that we are planning to go to Cabo De Rama Fort, Salaulim Beach and then Kola Beach. We'll try kayaking at Kola Beach also if possible. Let's see. We hope like North Goa have been really good. The weather really helped us. Let's hope that South will be the same. So we've reached Galgibaga Beach. The beach width is pretty small. I'm not sure on this side only, so we are walking to the other side of the beach. Probably that side might be much broader. Yes, it's really clean. The water is not that clean because of the rainy season. You can't help about it, but in general the beach is really clean and it's very secluded. There's not at all much crowd, probably 15-20 people only. And the beach is quite long, so you can understand like it's really feels calm. We have seen Arambol how crowded it is, and this feels like heaven. So this is the end of the Galgibaga Beach where the sea meets the backwater. Here you can see the ocean is gushing and it goes into the backwater and it makes a beautiful scene.
Cabo De Rama Fort. Just close to 25 kilometers from our stay. In fact, weather is amazing, quite breezy, not humid at all. The route only was very pleasant, and Cabo De Rama comes with a lot of significance in terms of what the Portuguese, how they came here, what was the impact. But good thing is that it's a Monday, very less crowd. I think we'll be able to enjoy it completely.
So Cabo De Rama fort was under Sunda kings till 1763 and subsequently Portuguese seized it. It is surrounded by bastions of diverse forms. It is on the cape which is named after Rama. তোর তিনটে ব্রেড লাগানো আছে ইয়ে দেখো এখনো হয়নি বলে
Hi guys, as you can see, we are now traveling to Butterfly Beach. So we are started a bit late. It's like 11:45 here. So let's see, the first today's first destination is Butterfly Beach.
এখানে পড়ার একটু চান্স আছে আগেই বলে রাখি
So currently we are heading towards Butterfly Beach. So like we started from our place and then after taking the national highway you go for few kilometers and then you take a route that says it goes to Agonda Beach. That's a muddy route. You go couple of kilometers through that route and then you see there is a point where it is said that for Butterfly Beach 4-wheelers has to be for parked there, 6-wheelers has to be parked there, and then you have to take book jeep from there to reach the beach, or you can go by walk as well, and that is around 3 kilometer. For 2-wheelers you can go further 2.5 kilometer, and there you have to park your 2-wheeler where we have parked, and from there it's around probably 500 meter or so trekking trail, and through that you have to reach the beach. So if you are coming by 2-wheeler you have to walk for around 5 to 10 minutes hardly. I'm not sure, like we are going towards the beach, but the thing is that the road is really tough. If you are not someone who rides 2-wheeler freely, I would suggest to take the jeep or by walk, because the road is muddy, slippery, waterlogged, everything. Although it's not raining for last couple of weeks in Goa, but the weather is always gloomy, sun hardly comes out there, and also it is within the jungle, so you hardly see the sun rays falling into the roads itself, so it's always remain like that. Every video I have seen about Butterfly Beach all had the same thing. So especially people rent scooty out here, so that has more chances to slip on such roads. So if you are not someone who rides 2-wheeler frequently, you better take jeep or go by walk. But then again, like I would really honestly prefer to walk throughout the route 3-4 kilometer, but then again time is an issue. You have to see more and more places, so in order to save time we came till this point via 2-wheeler, and then now we are walking. we are currently at Salaulim Dam. So if you Google, you will find it as Salaulim, but the locals say it's Salauli. It's around 40 kilometers from Palolem. Took us around 1 hour 15 minutes. But the road is really beautiful. First you go through National Highway 66, then you took some road through the village and all. But the road are really nice. You don't find much of potholes or something. It's a good ride, and the place is also very beautiful. Unique in the sense, I'm not sure if India has any other dam which has such kind of infinity hold kind of thing. So yeah, it was raining a couple of minutes ago, but now the weather is much clear, so it's good.
What have we ordered?
We have ordered crispy honey chicken, Old Monk smoked chicken, and we are having cashew feni. And in main course we have ordered chicken stroganoff, seafood pizza, and one veg noodles.